Are you having problems with the Venmo error try again later and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my Venmo app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on my settings app, then what I did in here is that I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, then I scrolled down in here again and I clicked where it says storage, as you can see. So I clicked on storage, and now we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load, just so you know. And now as you can see, when all the apps in here are loaded, we're just going to scroll all the way up in here until we can see the search bar up top. So click on the search bar. Just search for Venmo in here and click on the Venmo app. Now you're just going to simply click on Upload App and once again click on Upload App in here. Then just wait a couple of seconds in here and then click on the reinstall app button here, as you can see, and just simply wait for your Venmo app to completely update to its latest version, because by doing this you're actually going to force your Venmo app to update to its absolute most up-to-date version of the app. So try this, and sometimes you have to click 2 times, by the way. If it says reinstall app, you have to probably click 2 times again, but don't worry, as you can see it now says loading here for my app. So just wait for it to finish and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.